Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with Bank of New Zealand. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that US stocks fell yet again on Friday night, down about 1.5% for both the Dow and the S&P 500. They've now posted their biggest four-weekly loss since March 2009. There are more concerns about global growth, and Hewlett-Packard shares dropped 27% last week after they announced poor results and a major restructure. Caterpillar, Alcoa both fell. Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan and Citigroup all cut their growth forecasts. The S&P 500 is now down 18% since its April 29 high. Remember, in New Zealand, we're doing slightly better. We're down about half that, about 9% since mid-May. That's partly because New Zealand companies have been reported quite solid results, and we don't have any banks on the NZX 50. Port of Tauranga and Telecom both produced reasonable results. But there are more signs of division emerging in Europe. Angela Merkel, the Chancellor in Germany, rejected again talk of common euro bonds, so we may see more drama out of Europe this week. The New Zealand dollar down to 81.8 US cents, again in line with those falling risk appetites. Gold, though, hit a record $1,850 an ounce US over the weekend. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with Bank of New Zealand.